Hello my beautiful people, I've been told intros are boring, so today we have 3 easy eye makeup looks for New Year's Eve. Last minute baby, so let's just jump into it. So let's start with the hair. This is a eye makeup tutorial, okay, but let's just say you didn't have, for whatever reason, you didn't have time to wash your hair, okay, like you couldn't do it, you didn't have time, okay, like look at me now. I have to wash my hair ASAP, so you either have 2 options. I mean, you have a lot of options out there, but let's say you have 2 options. Either you go with a lot of hairspray. This is not hairspray, this is dry shampoo. This one I do not recommend because it leaves you those little white particles in there, so they are visible. Anyway, so either you go with a lot of dry shampoo and you put your hair up into a bun, ponytail, you do you baby. And my other option is you either apply a lot of hair gel and you do that sleek, beautiful, sexy hair. And if you have one of these, you are completely safe. So do whatever you have to do to look good and to feel good, okay? That's what it matters, to feel good with yourself, okay? So do you, babe, but for this specific makeup tutorial, I'm going to do that sleek hair. Look, let's do it. Look how nice and sleek this hair is. Let me tell you, no one, absolutely no one will know you didn't have time to wash your hair. Bonus, your hair smells good now. For my face makeup, I did something very easy, very fast. Foundation, concealer, cream contour, and then I used a setting powder. If you want to go with blush, you do you, baby, or a little bit of highlight. I do have a little bit of concealer on my lids, as you can see, it's very creased in there. I'm going to smooth it out in a second, but you don't need to use an eyeshadow primer, eyeshadow base for this eye makeup look, just because we're not going to apply that much eyeshadow. So I'm going to go with a little bit of bronzer. You can use whatever eyeshadow you want, obviously. I feel like bronzer is quicker, you know what I mean? I'm going to smooth my creases, because we don't want that. So I'm going to apply this mostly at the end of my eye. I hope camera is focusing. To give my eye a little bit of definition in there. Just a little bit, you don't want too much. And if you feel like you don't want to do this step, just skip it. We're gonna go with a lot of diamonds, baby, for this eye makeup look. I'm excited. You want to be the star of the night? You will definitely be the most sparkling star of the night. Let me tell you, glitter, diamond dust, whatever diamonds you want to apply on your eyes in a dim light, beautiful. But you already know that, right? Next, I'm going to go with this beautiful, I don't know how to describe it. It's like a matte eyeshadow, but it has a bunch of shimmers in there. It's not even shimmer, it's like a hint of sparkle in there. I don't know if the camera picks it. I don't think so. And I'm going to go with it right in the inner corner part. Let me just smooth this a little bit more. Like, it's so beautiful. So I'm going to slowly tap this. I'm telling you, this is so beautiful. Let me blend a little bit. Oh yeah, now you can see it. It has a little bit of in there. Let me just, I don't know, apply a little bit of this fantasy diamond dust, just because it's so freaking beautiful. Let me tell you, you can go crazy, baby. Next, we are going to go with a bunch of diamonds. And I know this takes a while, but if you want, again, if you want to be the star of the night, you gotta do it. You gotta do what you gotta do, okay? Listen, I'm going to speed this part so it's easier for you to watch, but I'm going to do that graphic liner with diamonds, and then I'm going to go with some little diamonds on my hair as well. Okay, and do not apply flash glue on your hair. Go with whatever this is called, school glue stick. Okay, so you do this, then you stick your diamonds.
The whole world could be fucked outside, but when we in these sheets, everything just fades away. Would you want fade away? Everything just fades away.
Okay, listen, probably this school glue wasn't the best idea, or maybe I should had put the glue on every single little diamond instead of going crazy on my hair, because you can totally see it and it doesn't look good, let me tell you. But we're gonna fix it, okay? You can barely see it on this side, right? So on top I went with this beautiful highlight from Focalure, and I'm taking a fluffy brush like this and just tapping it on top of that school glue. I used the Wink Formula lashes in the style Diva. They are double layer lashes. If you have beautiful, long, natural lashes, just go with mascara and call it a day. Oh my goodness, you guys, wait a second. I bought this beautiful hairspray with glitter in it, but honestly, I don't want to spray it all over me because I'm gonna get it everywhere, and we all know glitter is so hard to clean. I don't want to do that. And if you have this type of hairspray, I recommend you to go outside and spray it all over you because it's messy. Yeah, we have this option as well. Like, I would go crazy all over my hair with this this is so beautiful and so sparkly. You can call me the ice queen. Anyway, lips. I'm going to go with, of course, something nude because there's enough drama happening on my face. We want something like barely there. I'm sorry, I know you can't see. My lips are so dry. On top, I'm going to go with this beautiful peachy pink lip gloss. Smells so good. Ignore my dry, chapped lips, okay? Alrighty, beautiful people, so this is the final result of the first option. We have 2 more options, but honestly, this is such a vibe. You feel me? Like, oh my goodness, slay. I'm missing my nails, but don't mind me. Just feeling myself. This is so fucking gorgeous. Like, it's giving Maddie from Euphoria. So yeah, this is your Euphoria version, or my Euphoria version for the New Year's Eve. Honestly, such a vibe. I just love it. Yeah, honestly, hair is not giving that much, but who cares? Who the cares, okay? This is giving bad bitch energy, and I'm here for it. Okay, for the next look, we have a bold cat eye with the same soft, beautiful nude lips. So I pretty much tried to fix my face makeup. I also washed my hair. You guys remember this? I bought this many years ago, and probably this is already expired. I shouldn't use it on my eyes, but I have this beautiful black with purple shift. I know it doesn't, oh yeah, you can totally see the purple shift in there. So this is a black eyeshadow, and I already have my makeup on. Let's do this. You definitely want to use an eyeshadow base because that will help the eyeshadows stay longer, you know. So that's a tip, but concealer works just fine. Okay, so I'm using the She Glam eyeshadow primer, and you won't believe how easy this eye makeup is to achieve. It doesn't have to be perfect, okay? Let's just start with that. It doesn't have to be perfect. Look at my eyes. One eye is more hooded than the other one. Like this one, for example, is more hooded. So obviously any straight lines in there, it won't look identical to my other eye. But that's completely fine. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, I'm going to use an angled brush like this. Let's say the end is gonna be where my brow ends. Okay, that's a reference. Oh my goodness, it's so creamy. Probably don't do that. Don't do that, because you want to go this direction. So that's like, it shouldn't be there, okay? I think I'm going to stop right there. As I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. And the best part about this is that you don't even have to blend. I'm going to take a flat brush like this one, tap the eyeshadow, slowly tap it. I just remembered why I don't like this formula. Trust the process. Next, take whatever pigment, flakes, whatever you have. And I'm going to use the NYX glitter glue. And try to create that cut crease. With the same angled brush, I'm going to connect this line with my bottom lash line. Just a little bit. I don't want that much drama over here. If you already did your face makeup, just go crazy with setting powder under your eyes and it will catch the fallout. Let me do the same on my other eye and I think we're done. Okay, so I went with the same lashes in the style Diva just because we want the drama. On my lips, I'm wearing the exact same lip liner I showed you earlier, but I removed the gloss because I'm going to go with this one on top. Wow, the eyes are next level drama, but I know this is not for everyone. It's okay. I'm gonna be honest with you, this is not my favorite just because I feel like it's a little bit too dramatic. I love it. I love it, but it's not my favorite. It's bold, it's sparkly, it's glittery, it's giving attitude. Okay, so let's go with the final eye makeup look. I think I saved the best for last. Honestly, the first look was my favorite. As you can see, I have a clean canvas. I'm going to go again with my bronzer, just a little bit, like we did the first time, for a little bit of definition. And also I left the eyeshadow on my bottom lash line because I feel like it will work. Okay, so we just want a little bit of definition in there. Next, I'm going to take my Chic Glam liner and I'm going to do a very, very thin, thin line in there. Doesn't have to be perfect because we are going to go with glitter on top. I said a thin line. What happened? First, I want to apply a little bit of this diamond dust powder. You know I love it. You know I love it. So I'm going to apply this all over. I want that white glitter, okay? So I'm going to go with this liquid liner. Again, this is so old, I should probably get rid of it. I got this from Amazon, you guys. I'm going to make it a little bit thicker. Let's go with this glitter on top as well, why not? As I said, I mixed the BH Cosmetics glitter with the Duraline. Be careful with glitter around your eyes because you don't want to get that in your eyeballs. Listen, I couldn't stay away from diamonds, okay? So for lashes, I went with my Ardell Wispies. Honestly, I love this one as much as the first one. And for lips, this could be an option. But I feel like I want to do red lips. What do you think? This is giving like classy. Give me my glass of champagne. I'm not a champagne girl. I like Prosecco, but that's just me. So I do have this red top on. I feel like red on New Year's Eve is a must. Okay, so that's why I want to do red lips. So there you have it, my beautiful people. 3 easy eye makeup looks, perfect for New Year's Eve, especially if you are in a rush. Babe, just add a little bit of glitter in there. And red lips. Red lips are such a fucking vibe. The more diamonds, the merrier. I love diamonds. I love pearls. I love diamonds. Love me some glitter on my eyes. And also this red lipstick. Such a fucking vibe, as I already said. Anyway, so let me know what was your favorite makeup look from today's video, and if I have time, you guys, if I have time, I will film another one tomorrow, because I already made a list for 2 videos. This is the first one, and if I have time tomorrow, I will definitely film it and post it. I don't care about my schedule. Today is Thursday, and I'm supposed to post a video in like 20 minutes, but I'm here now. So today is December 29, Thursday, so is my uploading day, but because I'm finishing this video right fucking now, I won't have time to edit and to post it. So I don't know, I think I'm going to post it anyway. Like, I don't really care about the schedule right now, because you know, there's like 2 more days and the year is over. Listen, I'm going to edit this video as fast as I can and post it out there for you guys to have options for Saturday night, because New Year's is on Saturday night, okay? And tomorrow morning I'm going to film the rest of the looks that I planned. I'm going to do that tomorrow, but this video won't be on time, okay? And I think these 2 videos will be the last ones in a few weeks, because we are moving, you guys. Long story short, if you guys don't see any new videos on my channel, it means that we already moved and I don't have internet connection, so it's because of that, and I'm so sorry. I will miss you. Anyway, happy new year everyone. I love you guys so much, and I truly wish 2023 to be like the best year ever. I wish this for everyone watching right now, like success, money, dreams come true, all of that. I want all of that for everyone, not just me, okay? Not just me. I want everyone to succeed. It's not all about me, you know what I mean? So of course I want to succeed. I want to, you know, make my dreams come true, but I want that for you as well, because I love you. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please let me know what was your favorite look. As I said, the first one and the last one, chef's kiss, but I love that second one as well. That's it. I feel like I'm rambling too much. I wanted this video to be super short, and look at me now. Look at me now. Talking way too much. Love you guys. Bye. Subscribe if you haven't already, obviously, because YouTube says most of my viewers are not subscribed to my channel. Why? Why? Anyway, subscribe if you haven't already. Take care, and I will see you guys in my next one.